Mga salita na kadalasan na lang natin ginagamit. Canzoncillo, boxer shorts in English. Definition: means underwear shorts characterized by loose fit. Example sentence: ginamit ko ang bagong biniling canzoncillo ng aking magulang. Pangalawa, sulatroniko, email in English. It is a system for sending messages from one computer to another computer. Messages that are sent electronically from one computer to another. Example: ako'y nagpadala ng sulatroniko ng aking mensahe sa aking guro. Pangatlo, batlag, car in English. It is a vehicle moving on wheels. Sentence example: nabangga ang aming minamanehong batlag kaninang umaga.
Duyok, eclipse. Definition: an occasion when the sun looks like it is completely or partially covered with a dark circle because the moon is between the sun and the earth. Example: marami ang namanga sa duyok. Labaha or razor. Definition: a keen-edged cutting instrument for shaving or cutting hair. Example: ginagamit ko ang labaha sa CR upang shaving upang iahit ang aking balbas. Drungawan or window. Example: nakita ko sa aming drungawan ang isang napakagandang babae kasama ang kanyang kasintahan.